faces when I'm driving an auto here in Guwahati and Parek is driving an auto. Before Christmas, 1 lakh subscribers. Where's the bed? Baby's bed. Yeah. Do nicely because it's our baby now. Our baby need a good sleep. Today we need to put some stickers in our auto. Now we are actually choosing some crowns here. So what it should look? Should be like a little bit like simple, right? Yeah, a little bit like simple, but it looks good. Like if we, so if we can go find something, so you can also have some idea, no? Maybe this one, no? That actually looks good. Can we get that for like this one, on this one here, the corner, this one? It looks good. Can we get it the golden one?
Yes, you can get.
Yes. Can we go with that one? I think so. Go with that one. Definitely. And then also this one, the YouTube color, right? Yeah. Red and white. Color. Yes, red and white. So these guys, they want to ever make any sticker, your car, your auto, whatever it is. This man, he do the best for you. He do the best for you. And just here in the main road, near the main road, no? I think here is a Tata shop or what? Yeah, Maruti, sorry. Maruti Suzuki, nearby. That's how they do with this. I don't know how you call it. Is it a printing machine or what? Cutting machine. This man have a surgery hand. No joke. That's what. Okay. Could we do something together before Christmas? 1 lakh subscribers. What do you think? Is it possible? I think everything is possible if you believe, but we need your help. So let's aim for that and let's do that together. It is beautiful. AB family. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Time for crown. The text is nothing without the crown. The crown needs to be there, obviously. Wow. I think our t-shirts are ready. Nice. What do you guys think? He's the man who has done it. Nice, it works like this, isn't it? I have some music also on my music here on my headphones. I'm listening Eddie Lyngdo and this other Khasi artists. Going to check about the bed. Where is the bed? Baby's bed.
Cutting and all.
Cutting and all.
We have not fitted yet.
You have not fitted yet? Let me see how it is. Oh, this one? Ah, okay.
We just have to fit.
Oh, just have to fit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Here.
Because
This man is doing nicely.
To be dried now.
Yeah, food have to.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's why. Taking much time.
Yes. Do well, nah. Do good. Hello. Still there, nah. Yes.
More.
More time.
More time. Hold.
Yes.
Ooh.
This one because no.
Yes.
It takes more time to do small things.
Yeah. Do nicely because it's our baby now. Our baby need a good sleep. Okay.
2 days.
2 days.
2, 3 days.
2-3 days. Okay. No problem. Thank you very much. Tanyabat. Toto. Okay, I will. But these guys, they do nicely. Look at these guys, huh? They do very, and it's handmade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Look at this one also. My goodness. You do this with hand. Need to have a... And this one also, yes. But I like more that one. It's more royal. It's more royal. Okay. Bye. I don't know who they were, but kids were yelling at the bus. That's cool. Where is my auto? Somewhere around here. Around here in Burnihat. I hope nobody steal it. There it is. Look, these guys. They do very nicely. Hello! How are you? Good! Okay. Very good. Hello. They do handcraft. Very professional. Very good. Nice, they have beautiful. Indians is very good with their hands. Very good. Okay, bye. Abfamily, shout out. Like and subscribe. That's what. Guys, do you know where the Nokia comes from? It comes from Finland. All right. Now we are.
Where do you live there?
I live in Mekalaya. Nompo. Yeah.
My birthplace is not far. You know Majid? Alpha School?
Alpha School?
Yes.
Yeah, I know Alpha School.
Yes, I am going there. Alpha.
Okay, that's nice. Alpha is good school. Yeah, it's a good school only.
I born there.
You born there? On that side?
Yes.
Ah.
I'm doing business and my job there.
Okay. That's good. Okay, all the best now. Alright, so let's go. Now, where you go?
I want to go in 6 mile Kokoradin Ali Ahmed Road. Will you go?
Oh, no, actually I go Guwahati now.
Where?
I go Guwahati.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let's go. Yes, we are on again. This has been one of the best investments, I'm telling you. Sony MX-10, shout out. My goodness, very good. I have owned these headphones, I think approximately 4 or 5 years. It has been dropped in the water, in the sea, dropped many times on the floor. Still working. Definitely worth of money. Okay, how this works this time? Let's go. Alright, that's how it is. Nice. Okay, alright. Still learning to drive auto. Like I have said, Finnish guys, we are best in motorsport and rally. That's very true. Suki da 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 da. When I have the music system, then I don't need to have my headphones. Unfortunately, I didn't find the sound system. I got a little bit comic faces when I'm driving an auto here in Guwahati and Jorapat, Burnihat. People are pointing, like a Parek is driving an auto. I love to drive auto.
proudly. All you Khasi drivers, I mean auto drivers, you should nicely, humbly and proudly drive your auto. Be proud for whatever you do. Be proud for that. Be thankful for that. Whatever you do. That's what. That's how I think. One guy who I know, he was laughing when I came with the auto. He was like, "What happened to you, Aki?" And I said, like, what? What do you mean, what happened? Is it because I drive an auto or what? That's what, you know. I love to drive auto. I don't care about. Hey, Conke. Hey, man, what are you? Let's go, let's move. Akatukaski kunnapi. Adati. Ora di da. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't find the sound system. Let's see. Let's see another day. Another time.